Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixi again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever you happen to be doing when you're watching this, hope you do it fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight, I'm going to do a quick shoe review because I love these shoes so much. And I haven't even tried them on yet. I just opened them to make sure they weren't damaged. And I have one pair of Cape Robbin shoes up there, and I'll insert a picture, and I love them so much. I found them where I have words. Okay, awkward video time. Awesome. We're gonna drink for that one. I found Cape Robbin on Amazon. I do believe they have their own website. I'll leave I can't talk. Oh my goodness. I'll leave all the links I can find down below in the description if you are interested in these shoes. They seem to go up to a pretty, like, I want to say like normal sizes, not like tiny feet people, but I think they range from like 5 to 11 or 5 to 12 in most of their styles. But it seems like when I go to look at this brand, they only make like that design one time, and then whatever they have is what they have. So if you like these shoes, I apologize in advance if you can't find them, but maybe it'll give you an idea of their other styles. But it seems like they're kind of like a funky shoe brand, and that's why I'm attracted to them. Obviously, if you are not new here, you know my style, you know my aesthetic. I don't like that word. I feel like it's overused. Is it just me? But I'm an e-girl. Anyway, not making fun of e-girls, but that's just what it reminds me of. Like, too much TikTok, Sarah. Okay, move on. So they're not like extreme platforms like Demonia or Pleaser or Ellie's. But they still have that funky edge to them. So these ankle boots I have are really comfortable. And what I've noticed is, like, I had a bunch of Cape Robbins on my wish list on Amazon, but then when you go back to your wish list, you can tell something's not available when it says like see buying options or purchasing options. That means they're either running low on stock or they need to be relisted or something. So anyway, moving on. They're funky shoes. I'm really pleased. No words. This is the worst video ever. I'm very pleased with the boots I already own. They're not too high, but they're still like so unique, and I get lots of compliments on them. And they make me happy. And I keep looking up there because those are the shoes. Let me just get them. So, yeah. Okay, so I did a video on these, I believe, a long time ago, and they were in my shoe collection video card somewhere. These are called the Nels. I changed the shoelaces, that's the only thing I did. But see, they're so cute. But they still have, like, and the reversible sequins I got distracted by. They still have a decent, like a modest heel when it comes to funkier shoes, like the Goth type, you know. And the soles are awesome. So I found the Sandals on Amazon, and when I got the gift cards for Christmas, I was like, I'm just going to go ahead and buy them. I don't care if it's not sandal season. It's Florida. It's going to be hot eventually. I'm reaching for them. I didn't want them to go out of stock. Like I said, it seems like once they do a design, they're one and done. Whatever is available, and you can't really wait for them to restock, it seems like. Because if I go back and look for other shoes by them that I like to send, I don't know, somebody else a link, they're not there. So these are Cape Robbin, and then right here it says remember your comfort. So I'm wondering if these have memory foam in them, or maybe I'm reading too much into it. And I love the box. Look how cute it is. The boot box is like this too, with the snakeskin print, and it's really good quality cardboard if you care about that. I try to save as many shoe boxes as I can, but some just arrived damaged, and I'm pointing over here because a lot of my boots are on display, and I got rid of the boxes because they're worth displaying. But other than the boots you see in my closet tours, they're in the boxes somewhere. Like the shoes you see out are not all of my shoes. But so, like I said, for storage purposes, I try to keep the boxes. These are called the X-TREME in black, and I got 9s, and as you can see, they are little flat sandals on Amazon, and then they look like this when you get them. It looks like they improved their packaging because they actually have their own tissue paper now, and I think it was just like white tissue paper with the boots that I got, and that was about 2 years ago. And you get the little slip covers, but these shoes are just so unique, and I love them so much. So like I said, they're not super extreme, but you can swap these out for like your regular sandals or flip-flops if you live in the South, but they have spikes all the way around them, and they're actually like decent metal spikes. Like if you kick somebody, they're gonna get hurt. And then 4 straps. I read the reviews and some came broken, but these look to be okay so far. So let's pull out the padding, and then we're gonna do a try on at the end of this. But you have 1 row of rhinestones right here, and then a clear band of stripes, and then more rhinestones, which I call this like the Paris Hilton rhinestones because she always wore those chokers in the 90s. And then you have 1 last strap on black leather, and then it says Cape Robbin, remember your comfort. And the soles, I don't know, that's kind of like velvety right there, but they seem to have a good grip. And then they just have the 9M sticker on them. So I'm super happy to have these. So like summer Florida goth punk, if you don't want to wear your boots all the time. And these spikes are actually pretty sharp. So yeah, if you accidentally kick somebody, it's gonna hurt. And let's see, there's a little card. I have words again. It shows Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and YouTube. I didn't know there was a YouTube. I'm going to subscribe to it. And then it opens like this. It says high elasticity surface, memory foam, so I was right. Great comfort and support. High elasticity and high density. Right here. And the other side says recycled microsued recycled jersey. Faux shearling lining, waterborne PU, which means patent upper, and sock. I don't know what the sock part means. And water-based glue, so don't wear these in the rain. I don't know. And let's get the other one out. And I'll leave a price of what I paid for these on the screen somewhere. I love them. I love them. So I hope they're as comfortable as they say they were in the reviews. But yeah, some people are like, the spikes were missing or the straps broke, so knock on wood that it doesn't happen. But it looks like these are in good shape too, like perfect shape. And you can see the 4 straps. They are so freaking adorable. I love them. So let's try them on. Let's try them on. I would wear these with maxi skirts or just running errands because they're flat enough I could drive in them. I can't drive in platforms. For those of you who do, God bless you. I don't know how you do it, but I'm like, if I can't feel the pedal, I don't trust myself. But oh my gosh, they're just so pretty. They're so freaking pretty. I love them. I'm so happy. So let's do a try on. I'll be right back. Okay, so they were pretty comfortable. I haven't exactly walked around Disney for a whole day wearing these, but I probably will try. When you put them on, this kind of stuck, so you have to kind of like adjust it once your foot is in it, if that makes sense. But this one feels a little bit loose around your foot, but I was going to see if you could maybe make it a back strap, but it's not long enough. But I like them. So even if I'm just running errands or going thrifting, I like the fact that they're flat. Like I said earlier, I could drive in these, and I'm really glad I finally bought them. They actually seem to have a lot of support, but again, the ultimate test would be like running errands, going thrifting, going to Disney. They're just so funky. It's nice to have something besides a plain flip-flop in my wardrobe. And they are just so pretty and sparkly and dangerous. That could really mess somebody up if you're not paying attention. So hopefully none of the spikes fall off. It seems like they're on there pretty good. But I'm happy with my purchase. I think they have them in other colors, but I just wanted basic black. Like I said, I'll link where I got them on Amazon down below, and they might have like similar styles or people also bought kind of thing. But this is my second pair of Cape Robbins. I'm pretty happy with them so far. We'll see how they hold up and actually doing stuff and not just trying them on in my studio. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're wearing whatever makes you happy. I hope you enjoyed this little quick shoe review, try on type thing, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And I will talk to you very, very soon. I love you so much. Thank you for all of the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying my videos. Welcome to being a glitter child. And welcome to my awkward videos. And thank you again if you're returning. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you. On the road to 500. Awesome. I can't wait. And I'm going to do a giveaway when I hit 500. So anyway, feel free to like, subscribe, thumbs up, all the things. Leave a comment down below. Do all the things you're supposed to do when you like somebody on YouTube. And I will talk to you very soon. I love you. Bye. Awkward Pixie out. Love you. Bye. Awkward. Bye. Love you. Bye.